Guys, if you would have seen this podcast with one of the industry experts on data science, Albina, you would have got to know a lot of insights on data science career and salary growth. In that podcast, in the comment section, we mentioned that if we get enough response in the comment section, be coming up with the data science roadmap. So, as we have seen, enormous response in the comment section mentioning data science roadmap. As you can see on your screen, the comments are flashing. So, for all of your audience, we are coming up with free course to learn data science. It's absolutely free, guys. So if you missed to watch the previous podcast, you can check the link in the description. Before we dive into the topics that we will be covering as a part of this data science course, I would urge you, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel BTech first, and make sure you like the video and share with your friends who are willing to become data scientists and also want to transform their professional journey with us. So let me walk you through the data science topics that we'll be covering. What is data science? What is the need for data science? Is data science just coding? Who can become a data scientist? Who uses it? Roles and responsibilities of data scientist. We will also cover tools like Python and its libraries that are needed for data science and ML. Will make you learn machine learning. Will tell you the relationship between the data science and AI. We'll also be covering one mini project and the case studies related to data science. We'll also focus on career preparation and growth tips with data science. So kindly put a comment in the comment section if you want us to cover a specific topic for the data science, and if you have any doubts related to data science, kindly put that in our comment section. We will try and get it answered as soon as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video.